Hi you guys, I wanted to share with you my results from using this 100% natural hair care line, His Main Glory. So starting with the Pre-Poo, the directions say to break your hair up into sections and apply the Pre-Poo, avoiding your scalp and detangling each section very well. Once I finish detangling each section, I twirl it up into a bantu knot. And sit with the product on my hair for 2 to 3 hours. I tied a bandana around it because I didn't want any of it to leak out. Now I'm going to unravel each section and detangle once again. Some of the ingredients in the Pre-Poo include mayonnaise, water, aloe vera, sage, rosemary, tea tree, grapeseed oil, lemongrass, honey, shea butter, and essential oils. So my hair was loving every drop. Now I hopped in the shower to rinse out the product section by section and make sure that you rinse all of it out very well. Nobody wants to be smelling like old mayonnaise. Finally, on that last section, making sure to rinse all of the Pre-Poo out and detangling as I go. Next step is to use the shampoo. It does have a spray cap on it and it does not lather. If you need a shampoo that lathers, you're supposed to use that first and then this shampoo. Some of the ingredients in the shampoo are rosemary, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice and gel, and tea tree oil. You want to work that into your scalp really well to loosen up any dirt, and then rinse very well to get all of the shampoo out. I always shampoo twice no matter what shampoo I use, just to make sure I get all the dirt off my scalp. Then rinsing very well to make sure I got all the shampoo out. Next, I wring out as much water out of my hair as I can. Grab my old t-shirt, trusty college t-shirt, to dry off my hair. Now I'm just tying the t-shirt around my head like a turban. I use the little sleeves to hold it on there. I just like to wear this on my head for a little bit to help soak up some more water. Now, fresh out of the shower, after I have dried off my body and the floor, we're now moving on to step 3. Now I'm just prepping for my style. I'm just going to separate my hair into 3 chunky sections. So the third product in this process is the leave-in conditioner. For this, you add a generous amount to each section of your hair while you finger detangle. The leave-in conditioner is so great because you can add it on your hair every other day or whenever your hair feels dry. Some of the awesome ingredients that are in the leave-in conditioner are organic shea butter, aloe vera, vitamin E, rosemary, sage, glycerin, and essential oils. His Main Glory also has a growth stimulator kit, which includes this growth stimulator butter, which I put on my edges, and these growth stimulator oils. The green one is for nighttime, so I sprayed that one on my edges as well and at the base of all my plaits. Of course, overnight I slept with my trusty satin bonnet, and I decided to put rollers on the end. Missing one right there. Oh, nope, I found it. So I put rollers on the end because I don't like my ends to just stick straight out. And carefully I guess unravel. I don't know the exact word, but I took down each plait. We'll go with that. It's already super shiny. My hair is so bouncy and full of life, and it feels really moisturized but not greasy. Still being very gentle because my hair is super prone to frizz. I'm separating each section of each plait. And of course we have to get the pick to get more volume and fluff it out. Added a little more growth stimulator butter on my edges. I don't really use edge control, but just to slick that part back a little bit. Now I'm spraying a few drops of the yellow growth stimulator oil directly onto my scalp. It smells so good. You just spray a few and massage it into your scalp in a circular motion. Of course it smushed my hair a little bit when I was massaging the oil in, so let me fluff it a little bit more, but overall this is the finished look. You guys tell me what you think. My hair feels super soft. I am so in love. If you're interested in trying the His Main Glory products, check the link in my description box below. Also make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you follow me all over social media at Blondie's Lipstick, and until next time, mwah!